What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a install today. Today I will be installing the, what is these called? Puddle lights. These right here. I have the ones that when they glow down it says Challenger. Yeah, I'm going to be installing that today. Sorry for the noise. My next door neighbor is apparently doing some yard work out there, or whatever, cutting bricks or something. So I have a handyman next door to me. So get into this. All right, so let's get into this unboxing. Bought this on eBay. It's like what, 25 bucks or something like that. You know, I'll leave the link in the description. So let's go ahead and get this thing open. They just plug and play. No drilling, no anything, so well, good. It tells you which right, the other one should have left, so I guess you can't mess it up. Know which door to put it in. So, all right, should be easy enough. I guess I get a pry tool and just snap it out and snap the other new ones in. All right, a second. All right, well, for video purposes, or just so it won't be long, I'm just going to install just this one on the driver's side door. Hold on just a second, let me turn off the inside lights or whatever. So, all right, so it seems easy enough, so let's just see. Guess I just pop the original out, pry tool. Is it on this side? Okay, just snap this piece out. If I can get it out. There we go. Alright. Oh shit. I sat up there and said about having the wrong side, and I still put on the wrong side. Whoops, just a minute. All right, just plug and play. So you just this piece here, put it in there, just fit it back, test it out. You can't see it now because of the light in here. We pull my car up and close the garage, and we can check it out. All right, let's test it out and see. There we go. Quick, easy install, man. The whole install takes less than 5 minutes. You know what you're doing. You know, have the right tools and everything. 5 minutes, maybe less than that. But that's it, guys. Just a new little minor mod, but hey, I like it. All right, guys, that'll be cool.